Hey everybody, we're still sticking with multiplication of multi-digits, but we're going to use an area model. We need to learn how to use any strategy in multiple ways. So I know we've already learned standard algorithm, we kind of jumped ahead, but we're going to kind of move back a little bit and we're going to do area model. So the area model you might have seen before. We're going to take the first number, 382, and break up each digit to see what value it is. So the 3 is in the hundreds place, meaning that 3's value is really 300. The 8 is in the tens, making it 80. And then the 2's in the ones. So then we have 50 and 6 for the separate second number. So 50 times 300 is really 15 and add 3 zeros. Then at this rectangle right here, you multiply the 80 and the 50. You always multiply what's on the top of the rectangle and on the side, and you meet yourself right here in the middle. So 80 times 50, 8 times 5 is 40. Add 2 more zeros. Then I have 2 times 50, which is 100. Then I'm going to go down the sixth column down here, and multiply each number down to the 6. 6 times 300 is 1,800. 6 times 80, 6 times 8 is 48. I'm going to add my 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, now I have to, and these are all in here, all these answers right here, are actually called partial product. That's a new vocab word for you, because they are part of the product, meaning they're partial of the total product that we're going to get. And the product is a multiplication answer. If we add all of them up, we're going to get our total product. So we have 15,000. Actually, we're smart enough. Hang on, let's make this easier on ourselves. We know 15,000 plus 4,000 is 19,000. We can add another 100, and that makes it 2,000. So that top row right there can be 2,000. Just using some mental math and helping us. And then let's add these others. So we have 1,800, and then I'm going to add the 480 plus 12 and make it 492. Okay, you've got 2, 9, 12, carry the 1. 4,292. Okay. What number goes here? 3,000. Then 100. Then 20. Then 7. Okay. Then, now we've got a 3-digit number we're multiplying by, so I need 3 columns to go across. So I have 100, 50, and 6. Okay. That's going to be 2 more zeros. That's 300,000. That's going to be 10,000. It's going to be 2,000. 100 times 7 is 700. Then I multiply the 3,000 to the 50. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 4 zeros. 50 times 100 is 1, 2, 3 zeros. 50 times 20, 5 times 2 is 10. Add 2 more zeros. 50 times 7 is 350. Okay, now the bottom row. 3,000 times 6 is 18,000. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 20 is 120. And 6 times 7 is going to get me 42. Okay, so that's a lot, but it's one way to solve a multiplication problem. So let's do some mental math and help ourselves out. So we have 12,000 we have 13,000, 18,000, and then we can add it all to here and make it 318,000. And then we can add the rest of our numbers. This will be 1,050. It's 162. We've got 18,600. You got to make sure all of your place values are lining up as you're trying to add them. And then you have 15,000. Okay, let's add it. I've got a 2, an 11, an 8, and then I have a 9, a 16, 17, 22, and hang on, I think I messed up here because my digits aren't lined up all the way. So let's start over here. We got to really make sure your digits are lined up. So we have 300,000. So we got 10,000, 12,000, 12,700. Got 150,000 plus 5,000, so that's 155,000 plus another 1,000. That's 156,000 plus 350 is 156. 350. So then I've got 1,800. So that's 18,600. And 162 down here. Okay, guys, that's why we have to write neat or you get all messed up. So we have all the zeros in a 2. We have an 11, 12, 18. Carry the 1, 10, 17, 8, and 4. That looks a lot better. There we go. Okay, so now I want y'all to do this one on your own, and I will have it broken up into parts for you. Okay, so have a great day, and I'll see you at Teacher Station.